Namba ya arwaru a murimu wa malaria ithiete na mbere na gucoka thi bururi-ini kuma na makinya maria matacukitio ni thirikari na cia kaunti hari kuhurana na murimu uyu. Akiaria hindi ya muthi wa kimabũrũri wa kurora makinya maria matacukitio hari kuhurana na murimu wa malaria mwena wa Rukenya kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, mwandiki mukaru minister ya ugima wa mwiri Mary Muthoni augite kwa ihinda ria miaka itatu utheremu wa murimu uyu ni ucokete thi na gicunji
Ending malaria in Kenya will depend on the actions we take at county level, within our communities, and at this very moment. Today we are here not to dwell on what we have missed, but to reflect on how far we have come and to celebrate the gains we have achieved together. Over the past decade, Kenya has steadily pushed back the burden of malaria, with prevalence declining from 8% to 6%.
Muthoni augite gucoka thi kwa murimu uyu kumanite na mitaratara iria yarirwo ni thirikari ta uheani wa neti irigititwo, dawa mwena guthomithia muingi njira cia gwithema na murimu uyu.
This reality demands a shift in how we think and how we act. We must be more innovative, and we must be more efficient, and we must be more strategic in how we deploy the tools we already have.
Kuringana na ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri thi yothe, mwaka muhituku wa 2025 andu milioni 4.5 ni mari na murimu uyu, 11,000 magikua, aingi aya mari ciana.
This year, the World Health Organization and Rollback Malaria Partnership partners to end malaria are pleased to share with you 2026 World Malaria Health Day theme, which is driven to end malaria. Now we can, now we must.
Munini wa gavana kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga Githanda Wachira augite kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga namba ya arwaru a murimu uyu ikoretwo icokete thi.
This year's global theme driven to end malaria, now we can, now we must. And our national slogan, Zero Malaria, kaunti zetu, jamii zetu, wakati wetu, remind us that the fight against malaria is both urgent and attainable, but only if we act decisively and collectively. Ladies and gentlemen, Kirinyaga County is proud to be classified as a low-risk malaria transmission zone, with a malaria prevalence of less than 0.1%. compared to the national average of approximately 6%.
Githanda augite maya mothe makinyanire kumana kwacithio kwa ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ino makirongoreria kuukia murimu uyu.
We have also piloted a digitalized net distribution system in Kirinyaga East. We are talking about Kabare and Barangu wards, leveraging our community health promoters to improve efficiency and accountability.
Muthoni augite guthie na mbere megukorwo magikira kio makiria gutigira gutire mukenya uratangika na murimu wa malaria. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma Rukenya gicugu kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.